Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use video templates in Gemini. So let's dive in. First, you want to open your Gemini and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're inside, you want to go to this prompt bar and look for tools. Right over here, click this, and there should be an option for you to create video right over here. Now, this is where video templates usually appear if your account has access. And these templates are basically ready-made video styles that help you generate AI videos faster without starting from scratch. Now, when you go inside the templates gallery, you can pick a style like cinematic scenes, storytelling clips, or animated concepts. Now, after selecting one, you just add your own prompt or even upload a reference image, and Gemini will automatically generate a short video based on that template using Veo. But here's the important part. Yes, you usually do need a subscription to use Veo templates. Most video generation features in Gemini, including Veo, the latest version, are only available if you have Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. Free users typically won't see the templates or may not have access at all. In some cases, features are also being rolled out gradually, so even with a subscription, you might not see it immediately depending on your region or account. Now, to break it down simply, if you don't see video templates, it's either because your account isn't upgraded or the feature hasn't rolled out to you yet. Once everything is available, though, it's really simple. Choosing a template, write your idea, and Gemini builds a full AI video for you in seconds. So, yeah, video templates basically make AI video creation super fast and beginner friendly, but access is still limited to paid or eligible accounts for now. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!